The most commonly asked question about contemporary art is how could this be art? And that's usually referring to something that is indistinguishable from everyday life, like some kind of ready-made item, like a chair, like Joseph Kosuth's chair. This is an artist that put a chair in a gallery. Um, Highly conceptual art, art that appeals to some kind of shock value. Maybe it's Piero Manzoni's shit in a can. There are many examples where the general public just doesn't know what they're looking at, doesn't seem like art to them, and it's dismissed. And anyone that is involved in the art public gets this question asked a lot. And so the short answer is yeah, it's all art, but you don't have to really like it. So really what makes something art has to do with the artist's intentions, which is something you may have heard, but it's an actual topic to go into. So an artist, like any other individual who may be viewing a work of art, is a subject. We're all subjective. We all have subjective feelings and ideas and so on. And we encounter each other in the world of objects, and art is a kind of object. So we have a subject-object-subject relationship. A work of art, in a way, stands in for the subjectivity of the artist responsible for it. And this is because we can ask the question, why? So if you see something absurd and you ask, well, why did someone make that? Why is that considered art? You're presupposing the subjectivity behind the work. And the work in itself, it's put into place without any function. So even if it is an item that has function, say um, Joseph Kosuth's chair, for example, or Jeff Koons' vacuum cleaner, whatever it is, you're not using it. It exists in and of itself to be considered as a work of art, and you are encountering the intentions of the artist to put that item under your consideration. And for that reason alone, it's a work of art. You don't have to like it. It doesn't have to be great. It doesn't have to be impressive. It doesn't have to involve skill. It doesn't even have to be remembered. What makes it a work of art is the intentionality of the artist and the recognition of the subjectivity of the artist.